Your career might vanish before you finish this sentence. We aren't talking about distant sci-fi fantasies. We are looking at software and automation that is already rewriting the rules of work. This isn't about fear, it is about survival. By 2030, 10 specific careers will face a reality check that will change how you earn money forever. I will reveal one job that looks safe right now but is actually being quietly automated in the background. If you are in that field, you need to know about this shift before it is too late. But first, let us look at the 3 biggest technological shifts making this possible. Number 10. Data entry specialists. Let's start with the foundation of office work. Automated optical character recognition and AI document processing are making manual data entry nearly obsolete. Companies are no longer hiring humans to type out information from forms. Instead, AI scans documents and instantly populates databases with perfect accuracy. It shows that even low-skill, repetitive digital tasks are the first to vanish, pushing the need for human oversight in higher-level analysis. Number 9. Basic customer support. Next, look at customer service. AI chatbots and voice assistants are now handling complex queries that previously required human agents. You have likely interacted with one without realizing it. These systems resolve routine issues instantly, 24/7, without fatigue. It highlights the shift from answering questions to solving problems, as AI handles the routine interactions instantly, leaving humans for only the most difficult cases. Number 8. Translation of common languages. Communication barriers are collapsing. Real-time AI translation tools are achieving near-perfect accuracy for major global languages, reducing the need for human translators in everyday commerce. You can now speak to a client in another country and understand them instantly. It demonstrates how technology breaks down communication barriers instantly, changing how international business operates and shrinking the global market. Number 7. Content writing for SEO. The digital marketing space is shifting rapidly. Generative AI can now produce optimized blog posts and articles faster and cheaper than human freelancers for standard informational content. Search engines are beginning to favor this volume and speed. It forces a reevaluation of creativity versus efficiency in the digital marketing space, meaning generic writing is no longer a viable income source. Number 6. Manufacturing assembly line workers. Factories are becoming ghost towns. Advanced robotics and computer vision are allowing factories to assemble complex products with zero human intervention. These machines can spot defects and adjust their movements in real time. It marks the end of the traditional factory floor, moving production entirely into the realm of automated engineering, where humans only maintain the machines. Number 5. Financial forecasting analysts. Money is moving faster than human thought. AI algorithms can now predict market trends and financial outcomes with greater speed and accuracy than human analysts. They process millions of data points in seconds. It shifts the value of finance from prediction to strategy, as machines handle the data crunching, leaving humans to interpret the broader implications. Number 4. Radiology and medical imaging. Healthcare is facing a diagnostic revolution. AI diagnostic tools are already outperforming humans in detecting early signs of diseases from X-rays and MRIs. They can spot anomalies that the human eye might miss. It shows technology assisting in high-stakes fields, changing the doctor's role from detector to interpreter, where AI handles the initial screening. Number 3. Software coding for routine tasks. Even the tech industry is not safe. AI coding assistants are now writing basic software code, debugging, and testing at speeds that overwhelm human developers. They can generate entire functions from a simple prompt. It proves that even highly skilled technical jobs are subject to automation when the task follows predictable patterns, forcing developers to focus on architecture over syntax. Number 2. Retail cashiers and checkout. The checkout line is disappearing. Self-checkout systems and cashierless stores are rapidly replacing traditional checkout lanes in major retail chains. You walk in, grab items, and walk out without speaking to anyone. It illustrates the physical disappearance of human interaction in daily consumer transactions, making retail jobs increasingly scarce. Number 1. The safe job, middle management. Here is the reveal. While many fear blue-collar jobs, AI is now automating the reporting, scheduling, and optimization tasks that middle managers rely on, flattening corporate hierarchies. The job that seems safest is actually being hollowed out by efficiency software. This forces a complete rethink of career paths, as the layers of bureaucracy are being stripped away by digital tools. The shift is not coming, it is already here. The question is no longer if these jobs will disappear, but how quickly you can adapt. Stop preparing for the world of yesterday and start building skills that AI cannot replicate. If you want to know exactly which skills will keep you employable in this new era, check out our video on the top 5 skills you must learn right now. The future belongs to those who prepare for it today.